what's for tea tonight?
Well, we know how you, our loyal subscribers, like to see our cooking videos, just to see how much we can go wrong with it. So tonight, we're trying pizza dough, which is already rolled. What can go wrong? We have mozzarella, which I've already sliced.
You've not done some prep first, have you?
I have. I thought I was not going to see you. Red pepper already sliced, and mushrooms already sliced, and I haven't done this myself, but already sliced some pepperoni. So we're going to try Ridge Monkey pizza. What could go wrong? So what's the plan, Stain?
Well, it's bigger than the Ridge Monkeys, so what we're thinking is we get it in a Ridge Monkey and sort of have a thick crust like that. Don't know how it's going to turn out. It might be a bit doughy, but fill that with the...
Okay, so next thing is...
You need to fill...
tomato puree. Smear the tomato. See, I'm so prepared. I've got everything ready.
As usual.
Needs a lot more than that, doesn't it?
Have we got any pineapple?
No. Pineapple on pizza should be a no-no.
About this corner. That'll do. Thought you were a chef in a previous life.
Well, I like to experiment.
Going very tomatoey.
Yep. Well, would you like some pepper on it? Black pepper on the base?
We'll put that on afterwards. Build you.
So, we'll do some slices of pepper first.
Don't know what this is going to come out like.
Neither do I. I don't want the mozzarella sticking to the pan. Top. Some mushrooms. I have washed my hands, by the way. In the lock. The dog's crying already. The thought of it. Could be very nice.
Could be. We'll see.
These packets aren't made for people over the age of 30 to open. Pepperoni.
The concentration on that face.
Used to it, I live with you. We'll have a little bit more mozzarella because we've got it.
Don't forget you've got to close the lid yet.
I know. Oh, there's always a critic. I don't think we need any more pepper on it. dollop it on. What do you think of this, eh, Dave?
Depends on the outcome, I think.
He'll laugh anyway. Right. I don't think we'll get much more on there without the lid not closing. So,
We put some pepper on.
you want pepper now? We have rainbow peppercorn.
A bit of salt.
Bit of salt. Anything else, sir?
No, that'll do.
And close the lid.
And hope it cooks.
Let's see what happens. I'll tell you what I'm going to have. Would you like a bit?
That.
So, pizza ready. Prepare to cook. Heat's on low. I don't want it to burn.
Sit back and wait.
Fingers crossed. So, let's have a look at the base. I've just turned it over.
That's doing nicely.
Been cooked. Not too burnt.
Just got to
Just
wait
got to
for
get the
everything else
contents
to
of
do.
the pizza cooking now. And the proof of the pizza will be in the eating.
It's bubbling.
Bubbling away, leaking a little bit.
Leaking a bit, yes.
Well, that's probably as the mushrooms cook as well. Because,
A lot of
water,
moisture
aren't
there.
they? Let's have a flip over. That's looking not bad actually. Another couple of minutes, I reckon. Do you?
I think that's ready, do you?
I think it's ready. It's smelling ready. I'll flip it back over. Yeah. Don't sound so. Now I've just got to get it out.
Just slide out.
Wow. I'm quite impressed actually.
You've not tasted it yet.
I know I've not tasted it yet, but it don't look bad.
Fortunately, it's all the stuff in there can be eaten raw if it hasn't cooked properly. Haven't you got a pizza cutter?
I don't know everything.
But you had everything in this van.
There you go, son. You get the largest
Thank you.
half. Right.
How am I supposed to eat it?
I didn't do that. Oh, pizza's meant to be eaten by hand, isn't it? Not to a fork.
Yeah.
You can't.
It's hot. Yeah, not bad. Perhaps the top could have been a little bit more done, but
I think that's the ingredients, isn't it? I think if it was just pepperoni and cheese, it'd be alright, but because I put raw pepper on it as well. Do we have a success?
yeah, I think so. He said,
Wow.
mind you, I eat anything.
What's that? You have to, you're living with me. Cheeky bugger. You know what? I hate not eating at the table. I can't do that. I can't have it on my knee like you have it.
Come on, mate.
That feels a bit doughy. I'll do that again. Yeah.
Rum wants some as well.
Sounds like it. Yeah. That works. Very good.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.